Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basics, and on today's video we're gonna see how to hyperlink text on Discord. If you wanna be able to get a word take someone directly to a website, this is how you do it. Now on your Discord chat, what you first want to do is type in open bracket and close bracket. Now put the text you want to be displayed inside this bracket. Next up, type in open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Now, put the URL of the site you want the text to take users to. Finally, hit the enter button and you will have a hyperlink text. Anyone who clicks the text will be taken to the website that is linked to the text. If you face any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.